Hi there, it's Adam from Kincrome and I'm going to show you how to use and troubleshoot your riveter. I've got two here from the Kincrome range, including the heavy duty single hand riveter and the long arm riveter. Rivets are strong and lightweight fasteners commonly used to join thin metal surfaces together. Let's get into it and see how they work in 4 simple steps. Before we start, it's really important that you use eye protection when using riveters. Step 1. Always make sure that you use the correct size nozzle for the rivet that you need. Unattach the nozzle from the tool handle and tighten it firmly. Step 2. Insert the mandrel of the rivet into the nozzle with the handles in the open position. The mandrel should fit in the nozzle with a little bit of wriggle room. This step is very important. Step 3. Pre-drill a hole in your workpiece slightly larger than the rivet tip. If it's too small, you won't be able to get the rivet in. If it's too large, the rivet will not engage and will just fall out. Step 4. Insert the rivet tip into the pre-drilled hole and squeeze the handle or bring the handles together for the long arm riveter. By activating the handles, the riveter pulls the mandrel head through the rivet pin, expanding the rivet and clamping the two workpieces together until the mandrel tail snaps. This may require 2 or 3 squeezes of the handles. The spent mandrel pin is ejected by opening the handles. With the long arm riveter, the mandrel is ejected into the attached plastic bottle, making cleanup easier. An important tip, if the mandrel is too tight in the riveter nozzle, the tool cannot expel the spent mandrel pin and it will become jammed in the tool. This is a common misuse of the riveter and is not a fault of the tool. For a list of available spare parts and technical information for Kincrome riveters, please refer to the Kincrome website.